The upgraded Okta single sign-on integration ensures seamless user data synchronization with Applaud, automatically updating account details like name, job title, or status changes. Boosted security terminates sessions instantly for suspended or deleted accounts, and intuitive error messages help users resolve access issues, while detailed logs give admins clear insights into activity and troubleshooting. The Ask HR Slack integration makes deployment effortless with a streamlined setup directly through Slack. Customize the bot to align with your organization's branding by updating the app name, logo, and welcome message. These enhancements provide a tailored professional experience for employees, ensuring your HR support feels personal and on brand. We've improved conversation management for AI assistants like Ask HR with better feedback visibility, smarter filtering, and actionable insights. The new chat feedback display lets you view conversations with user feedback at a glance. Colored chips highlight positive or negative ratings, and filters help you focus on what matters most. Select any conversation to see the transcript, user ratings, and comments, making it easier than ever to turn feedback into meaningful improvements. Stay on brand effortlessly. Use your primary, secondary, or feeling colors for adverts and chips with our updated color picker. Brand colors are saved by name and appear first, making it easy to keep a consistent theme across your product. You can now upload videos directly into the rich text content block, making your content more engaging than ever. To keep things safe and secure, uploads are limited to 20 megabytes. Learn more at support.applaudsolutions.com.